Meaning of disengagement.
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 Disengagement. Disengagement refers to the process of withdrawing from a situation or relationship. It often involves reducing one's level of involvement or commitment. Disengagement can have various results depending on the context in which it occurs. In a personal relationship, it may lead to emotional distance and ultimately the end of the relationship. In a work context, disengagement can result in decreased productivity, lower job satisfaction, and even resignation. Disengagement can also occur on a larger scale, such as a country withdrawing from international affairs. Overall, disengagement can have significant consequences both personally and socially.